So today we are going to be doing this quick and inexpensive cutting board to give as a gift. So if you're interested on how I did it, stay tuned. This was inspired by another YouTuber and I'll link their information below. Thank you. Hi everyone. So today I'm doing a quick, inexpensive gift to give to someone. The supplies that I'm using today are rubbing alcohol, my weeding tool, my scraper, my design that I have cut out on vinyl, transfer tape, and a cutting board from the Dollar Tree. So I'll be right back as soon as I'm finished weeding the design out of the vinyl. Alright, so I'm back. I have completed weeding the design, and what I want to do next is take the rubbing alcohol and clean off the cutting board. Clean that off with the rubbing alcohol, make sure it's nice and free of all debris. And then I'm going to take the paper backing off of the transfer tape. And then I'm going to put it over the design. Use the squeegee, make sure it's adhered properly. And then take it off the paper. And if it doesn't stick, you're just gonna rub it some more. And then go. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the plate and line it up so it's in the center. That looks good. And then we take a finger, rub it in place, take our squeegee, and burnish it. So you want to make sure that it adheres to the cutting board properly. And then you're going to take the end and then take it off. Take your time taking it off in case there's any parts that's not adhered properly. Then you want to just rub it again so it stays. Going in an angle, taking our time. there you have it. And then with the paper, I'm just going to put, with the transfer tape, I'm going to just stick it back to the paper so I can use it again, because it's good for a couple of tries, couple of uses. Stick it back on there, and then that's the bottom of the plate, and that's how the front looks. And there it is, quick, easy, inexpensive gift that you can give someone for the holidays. I'll list all the supplies in the description box below. And if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.